wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines are better, I pull up. Ay, spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines are better, I pull up.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone, and welcome to this beautiful Tuesday. We will be trading with the Pharaoh. Good morning, Pharaoh. How are you, my friend?
Hello everyone. I'm good.
The market been pumping, so we have nice targets today.
Yes.
We don't have any news today, so that's, I don't know if we should sad about it or happy about it. We don't have any 10 a.m. news, so we can just focus on the charts today.
That's good. Yeah.
My levels is currently the high of the 30 November on the upside, which is like 40 points away, and for the downside we have the new day opening gap. I think we can see some kind of a rejection if the market wanna do a Judas, and we have previous day AM high. That's all I see on the charts now. Do you see anything?
No, I see this previous day high appear at 542, and after that I don't see anything.
Yeah.
For the moment we have a bearish S&P on the 4 hour, but that doesn't mean anything at the moment because we can just wire. But just to have something in mind, we have this bearish S&P.
Yeah.
So if we can see a move down, we can trade it to some levels. I see here I believe this is the low of the session, which is 481. That's a level that I will look. And another level is 457 downside. But to me, this looks like bullish, honestly. But you never know.
Oh, yeah, man. Yesterday opening was a little choppy, so my plan today is to wait until market settles down. Although we have a nice targets on upside, I just want to be sure, not to get fake out from the market. So we have a bearish order block on 1 minute and the bullish order block on 1 minute also. So basically market is squeezed between those two levels. Will be interesting opening. We have 6 minutes. I think it's better to wait for the market opens. While we wait, ladies and gentlemen, if we reach 20 likes, we're gonna do again 30 days of free toolkit access for 5 minutes to everyone. So do not miss it. What else we have? This week we have a lot of news though. Hello Naga, good morning. What's up? I just replied you on Discord regarding to your booking. I hope you see it. We have President Trump speaks at 2 p.m. today. I think this is new. We don't care that much since it's ahead of us. Tomorrow we have NFP. Oh my God, non-farm. Oh no, not NFP. Sorry, non-farm employment change. It's not payroll. Okay, and the PMI at 10 a.m. We have Thursday unemployment claims and Friday bunch of news, but we don't have any live on Friday. Let's see. I'm kind of excited to see what market's gonna offer us. Incoming A+. You are welcome, Onaga.
Yeah, I will not be surprised if we go short first and then go long to have a manipulation down to go higher.
Oh yeah, perhaps, man. So the short setup is forming now. I will be trading with the micro MNQs. We have 6 ATR at the moment, so I think I will go with the 3 to 5 micros and scale if needed. Let's see. Man, these new day opening gaps are so small, but it's very powerful. Remember yesterday how many times it touched here and pushed the price higher? Oh my God.
Yeah, on that area you have a possible take profit for the short. That area there.
Yeah, exactly.
But I believe now we are tapping a 5 minutes fair value gap. We don't have S&P on the 15 minutes.
I see.
Nothing that, I'm like 50-50. Can do both the things, go down or go higher.
Yeah, I have this set up like 2.3R. It's so tempting. I'll just check the risk here. With 5 micros, $185 risk to make a 400 bucks, which is cool though. If we just take it decision high. Man, this opening scares me. Because those days is really strange.
Hasn't been that nice one.
Yeah.
Like that.
Maybe I can just start with the 2 micros here, then we'll scale. I can accept the risk of 2 micros. Okay. Okay, we have 2 minutes.
Just be careful at opening, can be a fake out. You will
Yeah,
see
man.
a big candle and then the last 10 seconds will just take it back.
I agree. So this is my plan now. If we can close this below, we can just take it to the break even. Okay, 1 minute. I'm in a little short position with 2 micros. If the price closes below 830, my plan is to scale a little and ride this beast till the bullish order block down here. Let's see. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. And if you still didn't check the Cyber Monday deals, wow, look at this drop.
Yeah, there was a nice setup, the shot there. We took previous liquidity high, that pullback was... I feel so frustrated. I was not in the short because I'm waiting for the opening.
Yeah, I was so tempted to take it. I don't know, man. Oh, the bad news is like we get the closure. We have 15 seconds. Let's see if market wanna play with us or are we just booking the profits here. Just wanna scale if we close like this. Look at this.
Okay, we have now a little S&T on the 50 minute bullish one, but the candle has to close. We don't know.
Come on, give us the push, baby. Taking one off. Beautiful.
Nice push down.
Beautiful.
So we took 50 minutes swing. Let's see, there is another level down there. Let's see if we go there or we just push higher. I'm not in a trade.
Oh, you didn't took it? Oh, I'm surprised.
No, because it was too close to my take profit. I didn't want to just have pull back, you know. Let's see. If he wants to move higher, that can be an area if he wants.
Yeah. Come on. It's playing games now.
Big push now.
Come on. Do we have buffer in the stream? Okay. It will come to target, I believe. As long as we stay below the 930, the target is very clear. The target is very clear. Oh, we have buffer in the stream. Oh boy.
Okay, I'm opening a long now. Let's see if we go higher or that is just fake.
I'm waiting for the candle closure, to be honest. Let's see. I booked 2 partials, thanks God.
Yeah, but they go even lower, you know, that it's not that it's a nice push. That I want to see this one.
I already took $100. I think I'm closing with the $60 loss here.
Because yes, it's moving lower, and that's the thing.
Yeah,
not
just
following.
I might re-enter short later on. Let's see.
Yeah, I want to keep these to previous high if it's possible. Now we have SMT, so be careful here. I don't want this to move lower. Come on, please don't come back. Not that again. Look at this.
So strange. Yes, is not following Dow Jones, is going the exact opposite way. So that's quite interesting for now. Okay. I see the target. I might join you.
Yeah, yes, it's moving lower. That's the problem now. And I wanted to take the previous DI, which looks like doesn't want to do.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm waiting those two get synced. Okay. We're pushing. Whoa, man, these two signals were on fire. I'm not gonna lie. But sometimes it's very hard to trust. Oh, there is nice target. Keep holding, man.
I'm holding, but I'm scared because yes, he's still down there. Come on.
Yeah, but
Almost
yes,
a
now
target. Come on.
getting the momentum. Oh, target smashed. Target is smashed.
I still have some target. It's a little bit more up to me. I don't know. It's 42. We are 39. Let's see.
Oh,
There it is.
beautiful.
Done.
Oh my God,
Done.
this is beautiful trade.
$500.
This is beautiful.
I must say the shot was beautiful too. The shot was really beautiful. The only problem with the shot was because the shot had all the elements to work, because we had taking the previous high, was the previous 15-minute high, reversing,
Yeah,
create order block, then you have your signal through here, and go down, and we took the swing of the 15 minute. So, oh, this is going even higher. Oh my God. Where is it
of
going?
course, it's going
Oh,
without
my
me. Shubham, bro, your candle
Where
is
do you want
moving.
Oh,
Holy
why
smokes!
did I close? When I go,
Oh
when
my
I
God!
close a trade, it's always going.
Look at this!
When I close a trade, it's always going.
Wow,
It's
man.
incredible. I believe once he had to take the previous layer too.
So, where was it? I believe it's a 700 levels, right? 700-ish.
Yeah, yes, it's quite high, the previous layer. I believe it's 864. It's kind of far away. Oh my God, until disappeared from my screen, huh?
Yeah.
So I don't know where it is. Ah, there it is. Wow.
Wow. It's literally wow. Oh my God. Still.
Now to short this, I don't know how I will do that. Still going. I have other levels up here. I have around 627, but I will be still too long here, honestly. So we have bearish S&P, but no signs for a short, honestly.
Yeah, definitely no signs for the short.
No signs. This is a move that usually does at opening, and I like this move because it goes manipulate down,
Yeah.
take liquidities, and then shoots the other way around.
Yeah, and you know, the short was also profitable, so I can't complain for that move.
No, absolutely not. The problem was I didn't enter at the right time. When was the opening was really close to target, so was, you know, useless to take for me. But at your point, was a good shot.
Yeah. I really enjoyed that short too, man. But I missed the long, unfortunately.
Yeah, I did a nice long here. That was a nice one. Unfortunately, went double. Might take a profit. I could have done the double, but yeah, green is green. I cannot complain.
Yeah, of course, man. And we still have targets on upside, which is very nice targets. Let's go to 5 minutes. Oh man, we have a lot of buffer on the YouTube. I am aware of that, guys. I'm still dealing with that. My God, I hate
Yeah, we have this
technology.
level. I see on the 4 hour a fair value gap at 626. The problem is the longing from here. It's like you know, you get a retracement, you're done for the week.
Yeah,
So,
not worth the
short is
risk.
even dangerous because that looks not worth the risk. And even short, it looks so dangerous because it looks really bullish today. I don't see even how to enter a short here because my entry will be a chaotic profit on the short side. So,
Yeah, I agree.
This is moving higher.
Of course. Now it will take the daily high. I hope we get some pullback so we can just take some position.
Let's see. So look at this. Guys, probably going to retest that fair value gap on the 4-hour. It's kind of close, but it's not worth the risk, you know. You know, when you know that something is going there 100%, but what he does, he goes there really close, then goes around a bit, and you know, it's,
Yeah, it did yesterday to Asia high. Oh my god, through the whole London session. You say it's
Yeah,
obvious, but it's not going there. It's playing games.
yeah. There you have. You see, the target is closed, and now it's making a retracement. We have a bearish S&P, honestly, but at least to me looks. I don't have a point to enter a short here.
No, I think I will wait for the new macro. It can manipulate now, or it can just do whatever it wants. How many points is this move?
Yeah, we have just wait, you know, took our trade, we are in the green.
Yeah.
That's what is important. And we don't have to give money back to the market just because we want to take a trade. If we see a setup, we take it. Would be nice to maybe risk half of what it's your earning on this first trade. Just an advice for the guys, you know, you can, so you don't give any so much back to the market. If you lose, if you win, you get the double of what is your risk. So that is the game plan to be in profit.
Yeah, exactly.
Another game plan to be in profit is take a profit during the way, because if you take profit, you don't lose. That I'm not good at that, because I never take profit on the way. But also it's really good at it. So
yeah,
you know, sometimes I have trades where it's $600, $800, and then he has to go there $100 more, and then comes back to break even.
Yeah, but now look at this.
So
It's beautifully just chopping at the same levels. If you're holding this,
yeah.
it just already came to 930, like you said, and we closed at the break even.
Yes, he's making a pretty big bearish move, I must say. Yes, he's thank you. He's holding bullish. Yes, he's diving a little bit more.
Yep.
But honestly, I don't see anything. I don't want to risk in this. I see it still targets upside. It's like there is unfinished job. We have S&P, but I don't have any entry for shorts, so I will just look.
My plan is now is like wait 5 more minutes, then maybe we can target the 700s if price shows signs of a continuation. If not, we might engage with the short position. Let's see.
Yeah. Take any offer this Cyber Monday, or
Sorry?
did you take any offer on this Cyber Monday, or did you buy new accounts, or
Yeah, I do purchase some Apex, but nothing more, to be honest. I think this is the most weak, awful Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I didn't like the discounts, only Apex. I already have my funded futures account, so did you buy something?
I wanted to buy some top one, but I don't know. I'm holding on that because that they have these Ignite accounts, but I have so many accounts. Honestly, I have so many, and I cannot trade all of them. It's too much. So I can trade one prop per session or per day. I cannot do more.
Yeah.
The thing is, I want to see more my funded future.
Me too.
Because I did that on the Discord. I did that how do you call it? Correlation between top firms. My funded futures is not bad at all, considering the price and everything.
100% agree.
Yeah, you have the core account. It's $70 or something, and you have a cap on the payout is $3,000. Till you don't have any buffer to make, or you have to do your 5 days.
Yep.
If you compare, all the evaluation, not the already funded accounts, is not a bad option. Actually, it's a really good option, I would say.
I 100% agree with you. My funded futures, I think now is the best in terms of price performance. If you compare, like $3,000 per account.
The core one is wonderful. The core one is wonderful. I don't know why somebody should buy the pro one, because I don't know, costs much more, and basically it's the same, but you have more targets compared to the pure one.
Yeah.
But you have 14 days. The core is 5 days, $100. So I believe it's really good option. My funded future was always something I never tried them, just sometimes, but I never focused on them actually. But they have a nice opportunity there.
I think, the only bad thing about them is their challenge. They have consistency rule on the challenge account, so it's a little problematic. I hate challenges, man.
But it's like 50, they are 50%, which is not that much in the end. It's like let's say 3 days, because nobody does $1,500 exactly per day.
Yeah.
But still, when it's unfunded, you are almost free, so it's a good one. I did trade day, for example. Trade day, you have a consistency rule of 30% on the combine, plus you have to trade 5 days. You cannot pass in 3 days or whatever. You have to trade 5 days.
Oh.
But still, once funded, is really good. Plus, I'm starting to give value to the 50K account, honestly.
Really?
The 150K. Yeah, the 150K, guys, is, the target is so far away. It's really, you have to put some risk on your trades. So, and sometimes, you don't see that target coming. While the 3,000 target, 2,000 targets, kind of easy, So, I'm starting to prefer the 50K.
I don't know. I tried 300, 250, 150, but in terms of the risk reward, I think the 50K is the best one. I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's just me, but
Yeah, because your drawdown is 2K, the target is 3K, while on the others is almost double the target compared to drawdown.
Yeah.
But still, another problem is the target is $9,000, which is,
crazy.
It's kind of a lot. So, or you take some risk on your trades, or if you cannot handle high losses, it's better to go on the 50K, I believe. It's more like something psychological, I would say, than because, for example, I noticed myself that target to never, it's so far away. It's like you win $800 and you win $400, but it's still 9,000. It's so far away. Well, it's like it's never coming. Then you have your losing day and you start to freak out. Oh my God, I done this work, and then I'm losing this day, and it's like the 3K, the 50K is like, it's easier to reach your target. Your drawdown is still okay. I believe 2K is still okay.
Yeah.
So So yeah, you get your money faster, I would say, compared to the 150k. So
Also the problem
yeah,
is when you pass the account, you also need to make another 9,000 to request payout, so it hurts, right?
exactly, exactly. So it's like you have to make, then on per account it's like you have to make $100,000
Yeah,
first payout.
I don't know.
Yeah,
It's
because it's like 9,000 plus 10,000 is 18,000 per account. Multiplied for 5 is $100,000. So yeah,
it's too
it is
much.
what it is. So yeah, 50k, I believe they are a nice choice. Nice choice. Little bit more conservative on the size of the trades. You have maybe from 10 you have to pass to 5 or to 3 micros, but still, it's a good choice, I believe.
Yeah, I agree. I think also the thing is you don't need to do oversizing with the 50k. So it's like your personal own account. When you go to 50k, you can just go with the 5 micros or 1 minute, 10 micros, whatever it is, and you can handle that. But when you go to 150k, you need to go at least like 3 minutes. So each point is like $60. So every 10 points is like $1,200. Crazy. So it's too much.
Yeah, the 150k. If you wanna pass past the combine, you have to do oversize.
Yeah.
And because otherwise, I did so many with top step. They never finish. They never finish, guys. It's terrible. So I'm really appreciating the 50k. The 50k is much better, I would say.
I'm glad to hear that.
To risk a little bit less, but still, even if one day you make $200, okay, which is not a lot, on the 150k is nothing, because it's like one day that you basically, you don't do anything. On the 50k, it's still 10% of the target. It's still something.
Yeah.
So I like it. I'm starting really to like the 50k.
I'm waiting for
I want
long.
to tell you, what
Yes.
I'm starting to apply the order flow to the fair value gaps, better than everyone that I'm trading fair value gaps.
Yep.
And if you apply the order flow to the fair value gap, you see the exact point where the rejection can happen. It's incredible.
Yes, I agree.
It is. There is a fair value gap that can be, I don't know, 10 points or something. You apply order flow to that. You can see inside that candle that made the fair value gap exactly where is the point inside these 10 points, 20, whatever it is, where the reaction can happen. Is fantastic.
Yeah. Do you think it's also matches with like the levels, for example, the previous day high, previous day low, or like new week opening gap? Do you see an order stack in those levels in order flow?
But you know what I can see in those levels now. For example, I didn't use order flow for this trade, honestly, but if I see now what happens here, no? And I get this okay, so the candle that made the high, now that's what I can see. I can see that this became a bearish candle. Okay, was bullish, then became bearish. We have trapped buyers at the top, and is the candle which with more volume inside all the candles that preceded. So usually that I don't see the orders that are placed up there. I see the reaction of the candle up there. So when I see that, now I didn't see it honestly, but yeah, I can see that the candle that made the high was really, there was a lot of volume. I see the buyers and I can see the order flow and stuff like this. But I didn't use this time. But I want to use it in combination with my strategy already. That's what
Oh,
I want to do. I don't want
that's
to change strategy. I feel really good with what I have. Uh, so I'm applying it to fair value gaps.
That's really cool, man. I might say. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
as you know, I like Bookmap and ATAS, which shows the delta and everything in detail. So I really like it. The only problem is, in the end of the day, in my opinion. So let's say when we have the 930 opening price here, I already know that price can chop in those levels, and I think, just guessing, if you look into your heat map in the platform, maybe you might have orders has been stacked in that area. So you know, the thing is, in the end of the day, we might be looking at the same thing. I just want to, you know, simplify the whole
That's what
process.
I completely agree because most of the levels, okay, are not all of them probably, but most of them, they are really similar. You know,
Yeah.
points more, points less. We are there. So, for example, this move down that we did. We did before this move higher. We this manipulation on order flow, we touch the point of control. Okay.
Okay.
If I see on ICT highs, I see liquidity there. You understand?
Yeah.
So order flow, they look more volume, point of control, and stuff like this. While I see mostly liquidity, so swing high, swing low, on terms of price action. You know.
Yeah.
And most of the time they go together.
Exactly.
Sometimes I look even these YouTube channels where you can sometimes they talk we have order at that level, we have order at that level, and so that. But usually those levels are levels that I can see without the book map, already just looking the chart. I know where the liquidity is,
Yeah.
So yeah. I believe if I could get a way to combine the two to make it even more powerful, that would be better, But still, it's two ways to look the same thing, I believe.
I 100% agree. So it's just like however you feel comfortable with, you can just go with that. Let's say if you feel comfortable using Bookmap on the right side, that's fine. But sometimes for the beginners, they try to look like everything at the same time. So it really messes up the thing. So when they see orders stacked in the order flow, they think, oh, the price will go there. But in the end of the day, it doesn't have to do anything. It's about the timing, right? We always talk with you like there is a level, but the question is when market want to go and take it. So that's the main thing I think we need to focus on. So it's all about the time. By the way, nice long setup is loading, man. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, is also going. I hesitated to take from this retest of the big fair value gap here, but the setup is there. It's really nice. Nice target, nice.
The only problem that it's like once you take the previous day, you feel like I don't want to long this anymore. That's the thing. You are scared to long something that is already long. Let's say like that. So.
Yeah, I agree. And when the thing is, when you already did the trade and made the money, so it's like you top think though.
Yeah, you don't want to give it back.
Yeah, that's the right.
And
exactly, I agree. But the target is there. That's for sure. Okay. This looks beautiful. Oh my god, obviously it happened. Oh my god, beautiful. I hope you guys took it. Wow. Whoa. Man, I love this price section. Oh.
You know, when I arrive at those levels, I look for the reversal. That's I usually don't look for continuation. So for me, it's like I cannot trade continuation, or I can trade them if they tap in a higher time frame fair value gap and so on, and I have a target.
Yeah.
Honestly, at this point, I don't know what is the target, because even if I look the 4 hour, now we are tapping a 4 hour fair value gap. We still have a bearish S&P because yes, didn't go anywhere basically. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm looking for reversal, but
You know,
it's still going.
it's still going. If it not reversing till the 10, I believe like after 10 a.m. candle opening, if we don't see any signs of the slowing down, in that case we didn't see, because 10 a.m. candle created a new high and the following candle also created a new high. So it's a beautiful continuation, but it doesn't mean that it will go and take out that liquidity. So it's really up to us to manage the running position, because the continuation models can be quite stressful. Let's just say that, you know, it's harder than the 9:30 opening.
To point out, you could see that this would have been probably a continuation. You can see this flag happening, you know.
Yep.
And you see this push down after we took die was not powerful, was a lot of up and down, and so that.
Yeah.
Usually when you see a movement like this, you have there is no power to the short. Like in this case, you see a move higher, which up and down. It is a pattern that you can see so many times.
Yeah.
And it actually is one that I like to see, but not in this case, because I don't know targets of that. So I need to have a target to do something.
Oh, you didn't see the target that wait, I will show you. If you see my screen, let me show you. There is a crazy equal highs in the 4-hour candles. If you go to 4-hour, if you just go to 12 November and 13 November, there is a crazy equal highs. So that was my target, to be honest.
Not there.
Yeah, beautiful one.
Not
so
there. Oh wow, that's far away. It's the only thing. But if you put the direct time frame candles, which I like to see all the times, that is exactly that you tell me now. Is a week on the weekly time frame.
Yeah.
If you see the weekly, you see a week exactly the point that you are pointing out to me.
Let me see it on the weekly. What do you mean? What is on the weekly?
The weekly candles.
You mean the weekly high?
You see, you have a week there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
that
also
is
possible
exactly
target.
the point. That's all. But that would be nice.
Oh yeah.
It's true. It's so far away.
Oh yeah.
I believe we will see some pushback before that. I don't know.
Might be. How much the ATR today? Oh, 20. What a beautiful day, man. 20 ATR. It's sweet spot. And the thing is,
Yeah, not too much, not too.
yeah, and the thing is, I think yes, also doing a show. It come from the session lows to session highs. which is crazy. Also the Dow Jones.
Yeah, yes, is following. I believe yes wants to take that level too.
Yeah, so
You
Nasdaq
see,
didn't drop like ES and the Dow Jones. It survived in this fair value
Yeah.
gap, and all the pairs just created a new high. Beautiful price action. Oh. We missed those kind of days, man.
yeah, we took a chunk of it. We cannot complain.
Yeah. Oh man, it's beautiful. Oh, you know what? I was purchasing a new account on my funded futures, and I saw I purchased account at Halloween discount on core accounts, $59. And they sent me an email last night that they couldn't renew the plan because I frozen my card, because you know sometimes I enter the card everywhere. So anyways, I just asked them what is the price for this, and they said $59. Oh, I said the renewal price is the first price that I purchased. Yeah, okay, let's do it. It's crazy. So when you lock in the price, it will continue forever. Very nice thing. So
Oh, wow.
yeah, that's nice. But I do blow that 3 accounts, I guess. So now I can just purchase the same price, which is cool though. My payout didn't hit my bank account yet, you know, from the Apex. I don't know how many days it's been. Let me check again.
If they approved, I believe it will come.
Yeah, that's for sure. But it doesn't take that much time before. Apex is a little slow comparing to my funded futures. Did you able to try their payout system yet? I think you just purchased account.
No, because I'm just trying now my funded futures.
Oh yeah, you will
I'm
be
trying
shocked.
right now. Yeah.
You will be shocked.
Okay.
They pay in 5 seconds. Crazy. Okay, this is yes, touch the new day opening gap.
Yeah, yes, took out now it's 50-minute 4-hour liquidity. I see that. Still didn't come to previous day anywhere.
I think today NQ is controlling the market, not ES, for the first time.
Yeah, for the first time. Yeah. For the first time.
New session high. A very good price action. The only thing is I hesitate to take the long at my level.
No, it's too risky. It's really risky. It's really risky. I would like to see at least a pushback to some higher time frame fair value gap, but nothing here. It's just this is just going higher and higher. And you know the problem is when it does like that, you get in the trade, and it does the retracement that kills your account. So it's better to not do anything.
Yeah, I agree.
There is a lot of buy impression on this candle here. Let's see if, okay, sellers step in.
We should do a live session with your screen sometime when you have time to show. I really wonder how the things goes with the what's the name deep charts.
Honestly, I didn't use for the trade today, honestly, because I have to buy another screen in that case, because I have on one screen trade weight, and on another screen I have so I should buy another screen to see what is doing at the same moment, because
Yeah.
you know, 1 minute everything goes really fast.
Yeah.
So now I'm just looking to see if I see something. That's the thing. But I don't see that much, honestly, on this. Yeah, I see. Yeah, seller stepping in.
Yeah, I think can be an interesting reversal point. My thesis is we have touch the new day opening gap
Actually,
on ES.
there was a, but not on each chart, because I'm not an expert. There was an entry here, actually, exactly 638 for a short, and we reach already 2 risk reward. I didn't see it, honestly, because wasn't following that much, but there was, and it's working out. There you see, that was a really nice 1 to 2 risk reward.
What did you see there?
So you see these on the 1 minute, the last 10 minutes or something, you have these waves going up.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
I call them waves. You know, up,
Yeah.
higher up, higher low, higher. You know. Then to the higher, what happened? We have this first bearish candle here. That is how do you call it? Engulfing candle, and this creates another block here. That other block is the entry.
Oh, got you.
And that entry, that would have been my entry, and I would have gone for, if I use risk reward or standard deviation, I would have gone the following way. At 2 risk reward, I will take profit, or at least some of them, and put the rest to break even. Or I would have gone for these 15-minute fair value gap down here, which is a 1 to 4 risk reward, 1 to 5 actually.
These are on the 1 minute time frame, right?
These are on 1 minute time frame.
Oh, got you. No,
I have your 15-minute fair value gap here on the chart. So if this wants to move lower on a time frame, I see as a target at least that 15-minute fair value gap. Or if you want to be more conservative, because that is a 1 to 5 risk reward. If you want to be more conservative, you could just go for 1 to 2 or something, and that would have been taken. But I'm curious to see if we go for the 15-minute fair value gap there.
Now the next move can be interesting, to be honest, because I don't know what you see, but I feel like the trend will continue to targets. This is a small pullback, but for scalpers it's more than enough. If you look, like, I think 40 points of a drop is cool, right? So
yeah. In a day like this, because it is an extremely bullish day for what I see. In a day like this, you know, when I see reversal, doesn't mean that we go to London low or Asian low. It means take your chunk of profit and go away from the trade.
Yes, that's correct.
Because this is really bullish today. I don't know if we may see something, but I don't know. Looks really bullish to me. So overall, we tested the order block.
Yeah, now that's my perfect short setup, to be honest.
That is a short setup there, actually. If someone believes still to go to the 50-minute value gap, but usually when he already come to pure risk reward or something, I prefer to not step in again.
Yeah. It's look at this inversion, retesting of the order block again. So we might see one more session high, and we might see a reversal at the 1020. Maybe but you know, it's a beautiful day, and I think we captured a beautiful moves. I think I will not push for more trades.
Yeah, I believe the same, because this looks to me really bullish, and as I said, I don't like to trade continuation, or I could trade if I see some step inside an higher time frame fair value gap, which is down there. So I'm not risking my profit now to go long without a solid base where I can say, okay, if I lose here because he wants to go the other way around. So for me it's fine. I made my little chunk of money here exactly, and that was just one trade. I did like $1,500.
That's awesome for a beautiful Tuesday, man. Now, you know, the market already moved like 200 points, so it can accumulate in the next macro. So, you know, no need to push for more. And the trading is about the consistency, right? We don't need to sit in front of the screen through the whole day. We outlined a beautiful 3 setups, and 3 of them literally worked out. So it's a beautiful day, guys. Let's finish the stream here. And Pharaoh, thank you for trading live with me, my friend. It's a pleasure like always.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Guys, thank you for joining the live session. Tomorrow, same time, same place. Love you all. And before you leave, don't forget to check the deals, and bye for now. We will have a little ad, then the stream will close automatically. Alright, real quick before we continue. The control room is officially open, and we are taking 15 traders only this cohort. If you can read the charts but you can't control yourself, if you win, then hand it back. If revenge trading keeps blowing your accounts, this is built for you. Inside, we fix execution, 2 live mentorship calls per week, 1 trading system, and I will help you master, and you will get a 101 call with me where I build you a custom trading plan tailored to your goals, your struggles, and how you trade the best. I also review your trade journals every week to keep you accountable if you want to be consistent in 90 days from now. This is your window. Calls are already being booked, so these spots won't last. Link is below. Fill out the application and book a call with my team. They will diagnose where you are stuck, and if you are approved, you will get access to everything I just mentioned. If you are done learning setups and finally ready to fix the real problem, apply now. Alright, back to video. Alright, real quick before we continue. The control room is officially open, and we are taking 15 traders only this cohort. If you can read the charts but you can't control yourself, if you win, then hand it back. If revenge trading keeps blowing your accounts, this is built for you. Inside, we fix execution, 2 live mentorship calls per week, 1 trading system, and I will help you master, and you will get a 101 call with me where I build you a custom trading plan tailored to your goals, your struggles, and how you trade the best. I also review your trade journals every week to keep you accountable if you want to be consistent in 90 days from now. This is your window. Calls are already being booked, so these spots won't last. Link is below. Fill out the application and book a call with my team. They will diagnose where you are stuck, and if you are approved, you will get access to everything I just mentioned. If you are done learning setups and finally ready to fix the real problem, apply now. Alright, back to video. Alright, real quick before we continue. The control room is officially open and we are taking 15 traders only this cohort. If you can read the charts but you can control yourself, if you win then hand it back. If revenge